Hey guys, just wanted to go over the work for week number 6. So before you start class, as always, check your inbox here for any messages that I may send you, and also check announcements. So if we click on announcements, so you have one new announcement for week number 6 of quarter 2. So you have 5 assignments this week, and as always, no Zoom today, but if you do need to Zoom, please send me an email so I can send you a link so we can Zoom one-on-one. But your 5 assignments, so you have your assignment due by Friday, which is the PFT sit and reach test. So you're going to watch the video and then answer the question for the test. And then you have a quiz for Monday/Tuesday, which is a high altitude training quiz. And then you have a fitness log. And then for Wednesday/Thursday, you have your 1 mile run and your research project discussion board, which I'll talk about in just a few moments. And then if you have any questions regarding the assignments after this video, just send me a message. Just email me right here through Canvas. So let's go ahead and get to the module. So if you go to the week number 6 module, notice it's grayed out again. You can't click on anything, so you have to watch the video first, which you're doing right now. And then once you complete the video, if you hit next, it unlocks all of the assignments. Okay, so for the sit and reach test, there's some information here that tells you how to do the test, how it works, what's required of it. Obviously, you guys don't have the sit and reach box, so instead, I'm having you guys watch a practice video so you can practice doing the stretches along with the video. So follow along with this video, practice the stretches, please. It takes about like 2 minutes. And then once you're done with that, you're gonna just answer the question. It's just a check for understanding that you made sure that you did the exercises. So it's one question. It's gonna be worth 10 points. So just click take the quiz and then you can answer the question. And that is due by Friday. And then if we go to the assignments for Monday/Tuesday, obviously Monday for the 1, 2, 3 periods and 1, 2, 3 A periods, and then for the Tuesday class, it's 4, 5, 6 and Z period. Okay, so you guys have a quiz. It's how high altitude training can benefit elite endurance athletes like runners and swimmers. So you're going to read the article and then take the quiz. Okay, so it's not that long. Just read all the information regarding the article, and then once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and click next, and you have 30 minutes to complete your quiz. So just make sure that you plan accordingly, and if you start the quiz, you give yourself enough time to complete the quiz. And to start the quiz, you just click the blue button, take the quiz. Okay, once you're done with your quiz, you have a fitness log to do, and once again, it's whatever you want to do. 30 minutes of working out, however you want to, your choice of activities. If you need some options, you can use one of the CrossFit workouts in the CrossFit module. If you work out with a team and hopefully you're able to get out with your team, you can, write down what you're doing there. So anything of that sort, just as long as you're getting some activity. If you are going out to do like an outdoor run, just track your run through the fitness app and then upload the photo. So that's all you have to do for that. And once again, to submit the assignment, you click the blue button, and then you have all these different ways to submit your assignment. Okay, most likely the easiest way is to use the file upload, where you're just going to choose the file and upload it to me, or you can write in text entry straight up right here, or use the Google. You put your Google link in there. Okay, so once you've completed that, you're just going to hit submit assignment, and then you'll be good to go. And then the next assignments are going to be for Wednesday/Thursday. So you have your cardiovascular or Metaconda workout. And same thing as always, outdoor running. Follow these instructions. Make sure that you have these following items included when you submit your assignment, when you submit your screenshot. And then if you're running indoors, you're just going to make sure that I see the treadmill screen that has the distance and the time, and put a post-it with your name, date, and the word of the week, which is winter. You get 10 points for all of that. Or if you choose to do Metaconda, 10 minutes of a video of Metaconda. And don't forget to submit that. You're just going to hit the blue button up at the top, and you have the same options. I added the media part in for if you want to just record yourself, you just click here, use your camera on your computer just to record straight out. And then once that records and uploads, you hit submit assignment. And if you have trouble uploading your video, you can always shoot me an email with the video. And just when you go here on the text entry, just say I sent you the email, I emailed you the video, because it wouldn't load. And that's fine. I can usually check through my email. Okay, so once you're done with that, your last assignment for the week is going to be your research project discussion board. So you guys researched another diet topic last week, and you're going to use that diet topic to post a meal or meal plan, either or. So here's my example. If I did the military diet, I just posted everything I would have eaten for day one. So I included that. Make sure you're as clear as possible. So if somebody did want to try the diet, they know exactly how to do it. Or if you shared a meal, write down exactly what goes into the meal, how to prepare it. So that way somebody wanted to prepare the meal, they could do it. Like if you did like a vegan spaghetti, you would know exactly how to prepare it, like ingredients you need, how to cook it, how to make it, everything like that. So be as thorough as possible, because you are sharing this discussion with your classmates. And I also include extra credit assignments that I attach to this discussion board. So please make sure that that what you post is clear. And then in order to do that, you're just going to click reply. Once you hit reply, a window pops open, and then you can either copy and paste whatever you wrote here, include a link, or just write it straight out, and then just hit post reply and it'll go through. Okay, you won't be able to see anyone else's replies until you post one yourself. And that's about it for the assignments for this week. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. We got about 2 more weeks before winter break, so just make sure you're getting after it with your work. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.